This is the GOVEE Gaming Light Kit. This is actually the G1 Pro. This one has 2 light bars, got RGB light strip behind the monitor, and a camera to capture what's in the monitor. Whether you're playing game, listening to music, or watching a movie, it's immersive, it's awesome. Boom! Whoa, check it out! Transcending the lighting experience, the perfect system for massive visual effect. How cool is that? Wow! Look at that presentation. GOVEE, making life smarter. Alright, pull this open. Wow! This is obviously the camera right here. We have the camera. This part sits behind your monitor, and this one overlooks the monitor, so the camera is looking at the monitor screen. These are the light bars right here. Ooh, these are nice light bar. Wow, look at the GOVEE symbol right there. Beautiful, beautiful light bars, and you have some rubber feet right here so it doesn't slip around. And the other one is here is also connected to the same cable. Let's pull this one up right here. Second GOVEE light bar, very nice. That's the second light bar right there, and here's a cable. It's got a USB-C end right here, and that end is gonna connect to our camera right here, okay? Cool. All right, so that's the lights over there. Ooh, okay, so that's the top part. Now let's get down to the bottom part. GOVEE, your journey begins now. Quick start guide and the user manual. This looks like the neon light strip, okay? So pull this out, and underneath there, you see, we got some calibration cubes. This will be used for calibration. This is the neon rope lamp. Oh, nice. So there's our neon rope lamps, very cool. And this one will wrap behind our monitors. We have some templates right here that will help you size up how to mount the neon light behind your monitor. You have a template right here for 16:9 screen, and you also have a template for the wider ratio right here. So this one is for the 21:9 screen position. So you can line this up behind your monitor. Sometimes you don't even need this. This is just to make it easier for you. We got some alcohol pad right here to make sure we clean out the surface of our monitor. And we have one more box in here. So this is the last box. All right, the last box we have is this. So what is in this box? Take it out. Boom. Okay, so these are the pieces that stick behind the monitor. So you can run the neon rope lamp. So you have all these pieces right here. You have some little clip, the audio sync cable. So this right here is the audio sync cable. One end right here will connect to our camera over here and sync the audio over. So that way the lights will sync to your music in addition to syncing to the visual effect on the screen. All right, what else do we have in here? Okay, so one last item, the AC power adapter. Boom. There we go, the AC power adapter. So a very simple setup. Everything connects to the camera. So right here, this is the camera. And then you got the AC connector right here. So this one right here goes around your monitor. We'll connect this to the wall. There we go, it has lit up. So there we go, that's the light kit right there. This goes behind your monitor. You have some calibration cubes right there. And then you have that light bar and this light bar. These are nice, these are nice. So again, that was a quick unboxing of the GOVEE G1 Pro right there. You're gonna get an immersive gaming or viewing experience with visual and audio sync. It's pretty awesome. There we go, guys. This is the G1 Pro right there. Oh yeah.